This is my best shrimp recipe and I'm going to share it with you. It's Cedar Plank Garlic Shrimp with butter. And it doesn't get better than that, and it's keto friendly. Happy Valentine's Day. Today I'm going to share a really special recipe. This is the best shrimp that I know how to make. I take it to parties, I've been cooking it for years. It's keto friendly. This is what it looks like. The presentation is only outdone by the taste, I think. And it's really easy to make, and let's get to it. What makes this recipe so special is it's cooked on a plank, the magic of planking. And we're actually gonna cook the shrimp at 400 degrees. And you're going, you can't cook shrimp at 400 degrees, but I'm gonna show you how we can. Here's 2 tablespoons of butter into a nice hot pan. 1/4 cup of olive oil. This just goes so fast. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1/4 cup of parsley. Just saute that up, doesn't take long at all. We're going to put in half a teaspoon of the pepper flakes, just like that. That adds a zing to it. See, that garlic's done already. There's panko. So I've got like a good 1/4 to a 1/2 cup of panko, whatever you like, but I'm gonna say, yeah, it's pretty close to 1/2 cup. And then what we're going to do is we're going to throw these shrimps in and we're going to saute them. Just kind of cook them and coat them just for a minute. These are nice. I use extra large shrimp. I don't like to use the colossals. They're just too big and I don't want small shrimp. Look at that. That's looking good already. So we just move this around, kind of coat it. This is Asiago cheese and I've got 1/4 cup of Asiago. I'm going to put half in just to kind of melt it like that. I'm going to let this go just for a second. In the meantime, look at that. This is always a hit at a party. So I'm going to lemon line the plank like this. Just like that. Presentation. I've got the grill at 400 degrees. Yep, it's coming down nicely now. And we're going to cook indirect. So that's enough right there. So I'm going to unplug this. And we're going to arrange these on the plank so that the tails stick up. So I'm going to go like this and kind of stack them. They're kind of hot. It's all about presentation. Then we're going to put that really yummy sauce right in the center. Put those like that. So they're nicely coated in the butter and the olive oil. Look at that. Don't leave, that's hot. Leave one right in the center like that. Stick a couple in, just like that. That's really hot. A couple more. Just pick, oh, these are, you want to keep the tails on, and I can't say enough about shrimp. You know, sometimes they're brined. You have to rinse them at least 3 times and pat them dry. That's really important in my opinion. So I'm going to stick this one up like that for presentation. That's hot. And I'll put this one here just like that. Okay, so now what we want to do is take some of this stuff here and just sprinkle it right on the top. That cheese is going to melt right into the shrimp. That's looking good. Then we take the rest of the Asiago cheese and just sprinkle it on the top like that. How does that look? That looks really yummy, doesn't it? And now we're going to go in and we're going to cook indirect. So I've got heat on this side and I've got heat on this side, and this is going to go in the center, and we're going to go probably 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to watch it, and in we go. And I'm also going to put some bacon wrapped asparagus on, grill's on, might as well. Well, the Cedar Plank Garlic Shrimp smells absolutely fantastic. Let's have a look at it. So it went 10 minutes at 400 degrees, and it's cooked perfectly. Look at that. And you can cook shrimp at 400 degrees. So I'll put this on here. Wow, that looks really good. Look at that. Doesn't that look yummy? Now, for the cedar planks, you can get them at a good grocery store. You can get them on Amazon. You could do this in the oven if you wanted. I've never done it in the oven, but it's always on the grill for me or a smoker. But if you show up at a party with a platter of shrimp like this, it's going to be a hit for sure. I'm glad I had a chance to share with you. Thanks for watching.